If you're seeing a Facebook HTTP error 500, don't worry. This is usually a temporary server-side or browser-related issue, and in many cases you can fix it in just a minute. In this video, I'll show you the quickest steps to try first so you can get Facebook working again without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5 or tap the refresh button in your browser. A lot of the time, an HTTP error 500 can happen because the page didn't load correctly the first time, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Try opening another website or app to confirm that your connection is working properly. If your internet is weak or disconnected, Facebook may not load correctly and can throw this error. Now, if the connection looks fine, but you're still getting the error, try logging out of Facebook and logging back in again. Sometimes your session can become corrupted or expired, and signing out, then signing back in, can reset the connection between your browser and Facebook servers. If the issue still continues, open Facebook in Incognito Mode. This is a very useful step because Incognito Mode starts a fresh browser session without using your normal cache, cookies, or extensions. On most browsers, you can open an incognito or private window from the menu, then sign into Facebook again and see if the page loads normally. If Facebook works in Incognito Mode, that usually means the problem is related to your browser cache, cookies, or an extension. In that case, you may want to clear your browser data or disable suspicious extensions one by one until Facebook starts working again. Also, if you're using the Facebook app, you can try closing the app completely and reopening it. On mobile, you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your device, since temporary network issues can sometimes trigger the same error. In many cases, one of these simple steps will fix the Facebook HTTP error 500 right away. Start with refresh, then check your internet, log out and back in, and finally, try Incognito Mode for a clean test. These are the fastest ways to narrow down the cause and get back into Facebook. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.